Good morning students. Today we recall all words of sound of vowel I. आज हम sound of vowel I के सारे words इकट्ठे राइट करेंगे नोटबुक में. Okay, write with me. Number one is here. Write number one. P I N pin. Speak. P I N pin. Number two is T I N tin. T I N tin. Number three is B I N bin. B I N bin. Number four is L I D lid. L I D lid. Number five is K I D kid. Number six is N I B nib. Number seven is B I B bib. Number eight is D I G dig. Number nine is F I G fig. Number 10 is F I S H fish. Number 11 is D I S H dish. Number 12 is R I C E rice. Now one time we read with sounds. P P I N in pin. T T I N in tin. B B I N in bin. L I D id lid. K K I D id kid. N I B ib nib. B B I B ib bib. D D I G ig dig. F F I G ig fig. F F I S H ish fish. D D I S H dish. R I C E ice rice.